Now we're going to publish this to the web. So after my last step, I saved all the changes that I had. I tested it again to make sure that everything was where I wanted it to be. I went ahead and hit export. Now, what this has done is it has created a publish to web folder and inside the project folder that we created way back at the beginning of this process. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to close this. I'm going to go back to where my project folder is, and I go in there, and there's a folder in there called Publish to Web, plus all this other material that SoundSlides has put together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename Publish to Web as something that's relatable to my gallery. So I'm going to call it Comic-Con 2010 Tour. Okay. Now, the next step is you need to go to an FTP server like FileZilla. You go ahead and find that folder that you just renamed. Here it is, Comic-Con 2010 Tutorial. And I'm going to go and upload that into the public HTML folder on my website. And it's going to go ahead and put all those images and the architecture that SoundSlides has put together to create the gallery. When you have to rename that Publish to Web folder, make sure that you don't use any capital letters or put any extra spaces in, because you want to make sure that when the URL comes up for this folder on the website, that it's pretty easy to find and check. So it's telling me that it is up there online, so I'm going to go ahead and open a browser real quick. And I'm going to put in that file name after my website address, and there it is. It's up online with incredibly loud music. So the next step then is I'm going to have to find some code to grab that I can paste onto my website or my WordPress page, and that's really easy to do.